Normally, the solution is to find the perfect reference and literally copy it, because it will have the compression between the pants, and you'll see a little fold here. And that's perfectly okay. But I still think there's something more to it. Even with the perfect reference, you'll need to use your artistic intuition to combine the weight of the folds you see in the reference. Sometimes the weight in the reference is more intense on the left side of the screen. But in your concept, it might be more interesting to add more weight to the right. The weight could mean more folds or stronger folds, for example. This changes how you use the reference. It's your role to develop this over time by observing everything in front of you. Whether it's folds, skin folds, or metal deformation, it doesn't matter. Our brain reads all this as contrast. If I start adding a lot of breaks here to my brain, which is before language, it sees this as noise, and our eyes are drawn to this area. If you add a lot of little folds here, it's the same thing. Your brain won't see this and wonder if there are too many folds here. Is it right for this sweatshirt? I don't think so. I think your brain will see this and your attention will be altered. Initially, it doesn't matter if it's right. What matters is how our attention is altered. And that's the trick we use in everything. If you start adding folds that are correct, either from the reference or your intuition, and don't stop to think about altering contrast, you'll end up drawing too much attention to that area. We need to think about both things at the same time, if they're correct, and if there's too much contrast in the area. It's a shame that this perception of contrast is very personal. It's about seeing things and thinking, is a fold going up here correct? A perfectly produced fold in relation to the reference might not work. A fold with this weight in this region will draw too much attention here. So it's not ideal for this area because we're not doing a study of a gun holstered on a belt. We're creating a character. So when we distribute all these details, we always have to think about whether we're generating the ideal contrast. Contrast is a word that encompasses everything, so it can also be about colors. If you have an element that's red, it immediately creates more contrast in that region.